Hey, what's up guys? This is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. Watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Might I add, while you're here, can I suggest that you subscribe to this channel? All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I am actually preparing to leave for an event and I wasn't actually sure what kind of look that I was going to come up with, and I just took everything out from my makeup collection and have them all lined up over here, and I have so much of dirty brushes in front of me. I just wanted to make sure that I involve you in the process of me getting ready. And yeah, I really hope you like this video, and if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. To begin the makeup look, I'm going to be grooming my brows. I'm going to be just filling my brows wherever there are sparse areas with a dark brown shadow of my choice, and I'm just lightly filling them in, nothing too dramatic over here. We're going to be moving on to some eyeshadow action. I'm just going to be using a concealer that will be using for my under eye area. I'm going to be using the same concealer to prep and prime my lids before we put on some eyeshadow. For the eyeshadows for this look, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. I actually have been using this palette off camera a lot, and I'm just going to be taking a transition shade onto a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be taking the color all over my crease line, and then moving on to a smaller fluffier brush, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of orange because I'm going to be wearing a yellow dress for this outfit. As my outfit, so I'm just wanting to have a little bit of warm tones peeking through, and with a more precise pencil I'm going to be taking a little bit of a darker tangerine citrusy type of color and running it a little bit more tighter into the crease, like what you can see me do here. I do want to pop off a festive green color because the dress does have a little bit of green leaves in it. I'm going to be taking an art brush with this, and I'm dipping the color into the green shimmery shade and just packing the color lightly. And for the outer third that you see me putting the color onto the outer V that you see here, I'm just lightly packing the color, patting down, packing, patting down, packing, and this way it just does not look like it has a lot of eyeshadow fallout. And I'm using the same eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. Just for a little bit of arch definition, I went in with this brow defining pencil brush and take the little bit of that lighter color from the eyeshadow palette and pressing it just beneath the brow line. And moving on to liner, I'm going to be using my favorite, oh my god, India has a lot of beauty products that are of really high quality, and I'm taking the sugar eyeliner and I'm doing a very small wing liner with that. And moving on to my lashes, I'm just going to be taking the all-round mascara. I believe this is from Catrice and it's just $5.50. I'm just going to be coating my upper and lower lashes with this mascara. For a more wide awake look type of finish result, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London's Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude. This is quite close to my almost natural skin color. You can actually skip out on this step. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the Catrice really nice, I want to say like a dupe for the Tatcha's Pore Filling Primer. And moving on for my foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite recent discovery. I remember how much I like it. Since the time I reached out for it again, I'm just going to be using the foundation all over my face and bring it down my neck because we do not want to have any demarcation happening. To conceal my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Sephora concealer, the one that we use for priming my eyelids. I'm just going to be taking it down onto a V shape like this, and I'm going to be just doing a little bit of lighter concealer just beneath it, just so that it looks quite nice and bright, but not too bright, just underneath the lash line if you catch my drift. And I'm just pouncing it away with a soft beauty sponge. To reach the inner corners of my eyes, I switch to a more smaller, fluffier brush just so that it gets right nice underneath the lash line. For a more bronzier look, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this. I'm almost going to be running out of it. I've already hit pan on this and I'm just going to be taking it and running it all across the perimeters and taking it with a smaller, I want to say this is like an eyeshadow brush. I'm just putting it onto the sides of my nose. And moving on to lipstick, I'm taking this really coral peachy nude color onto the centers of my lips, and then moving on to a darker lip liner and just lightly lining the perimeters of my lip line and emphasizing my cupid's bow a little bit. I'm going to be putting it all down and locking it and loading it with my favorite setting powder, which is the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is in translucent, by the way. Now all I'm doing is just dusting off the excess powder that was left behind, just so that it kind of looks really good after a couple of hours and the oils are at bay. For a little bit of highlight, I'm going to be using my oldie but a goodie. This is the Mary Luminizer, and I'm just hitting it with a very small fluffy brush wherever I like to highlight. And that's about it, guys. That completed the look. I just went a little extra with a gold glitter eyeliner onto the tops of my crease for a little bit of glam. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this get ready with me type of video, and if you enjoy watching this video, why not give this video a big thumbs up. If you think someone else you know might like this video, then don't forget to share this video on your WhatsApp and Facebook. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, and I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to